Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to spawn in Silica pearls in Arc. First, you'll need to open your admin command console. On PC, this is usually done by pressing the Tab key. For console players, you might need to pause the game and enter a specific button combination. Once the console is open, you're ready to input the necessary commands to get those valuable Silica pearls. This process allows you to quickly acquire resources for crafting and building. The core command for spawning items is cheat GFI. After GFI, you'll input the item's GFI code, which for Silica pearls is silicon. Next, specify the quantity you want, for example, 100 for 100 pearls. Finally, you can add a number for item quality, usually 0 for primitive and 0 again for whether it's a blueprint. So, a full command might look like cheat GFI silicon 10000. Let's put it all together with an example. To spawn 100 Silica pearls, the command would be cheat GFI silicon 10000. Remember, the 100 is your desired quantity. The first 0 sets the item quality to primitive, and the second 0 means it's an item, not a blueprint. Always double-check your spelling and spacing in the console to ensure the command executes correctly. This method is a quick way to gather resources. Using admin commands to spawn Silica pearls can be incredibly helpful for building or crafting projects, especially if you're playing in single player or on a private server. It saves you the time and effort of farming them manually. Just remember to use these powerful tools responsibly to maintain the fun and challenge of your Arc experience. Also, for those looking to streamline their real-world activities, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy surviving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.